Hello and welcome back. So in this class I'm just going to teach you about the Jumbotron and the page header. Well, you already knew about the Jumbotron because we've learned about the Jumbotron many times, even in the first, I think the first or second class as well. So right now I'm just gonna using a class here and just setting the Jumbo. Oh, spelling should be Jumbotron. Now save that, and then whatever we just type inside the Jumbotron, or we just see the Jumbotron without anything, we can see the big jumbo white gray area at the header, and just like the header, this is called the Jumbotron. Okay, so cool. But what if I just type anything inside the Jumbotron, something really important you must know about the Jumbotron, as I'm doing. If I just put the text here, for example, the Jumbotron, save that, go to the browser and refresh that. Now you can see the text, the Jumbotron. I'm gonna copy this one, the text, and just pasting this here, and now go back and refresh that. Now you can see that they both are the H1s, but you can see the difference easily that this Jumbotron is really small if you just compare this one with that one. So definitely, actually this is H1, not the Jumbotron, but the text is the Jumbotron, so it should be the heading without Jumbotron. Okay, now refresh that back, the heading without Jumbotron and the Jumbotron. So definitely you can see that this is a little small if you just compare with this, because this H1 is in the Jumbotron's class. So I hope you understood that the Jumbotron class is not only effects on the main dev but also on its childs, as you can see that. Well, this is a Jumbotron, but the other thing is, if I just press an enter and just put the div here, another div, and then here I'm just adding another class. Now the most famous, actually the most usable thing is page header, which we often use instead of the Jumbotron, because the page header looks more interesting because of its simple look. If I just put the heading inside the page header as well, and I just type the page header, save that and go to the browser, refresh that one. Now the page header, you can see that the text is very little bigger, or actually, yep, a very little bigger than this text, but you can see a line here. Okay, this line is called the page header. This is the thing is called the page header, which actually has the a border, okay, and the text. So I've taught you the both things. We will use the both things in our projects, definitely the page header and the Jumbotron as well. So in the next class we'll learn some more things. Stay tuned and goodbye.